Hey everybody, Levi here, and in today's video, I'm going to go over an SEO checklist for HVAC or HVAC businesses and go over some of the top, most important things that you guys can do to get your HVAC businesses onto page one of Google and to start getting more calls. So let's get into it. And if you like this type of content, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for future videos. So anyways, the first thing you can do is claim or create your Google My Business listing. Having and optimizing a GMB page, Google My Business profile, is so crucial for appearing in Google Map Hack results. And those are at the very top of the page, just under ads, but above all of those organic results. So it's super, super important. What I thought would be cool is just look at an HVAC business in my area here that's done a good job and just kind of quickly show you guys some of the things you can do. Obviously on the checklist here, I've highlighted these, but in short, you want your name formatted properly, bunch of reviews, we'll talk about that later, and then all of your basic info included, hours, phone number, website, services, service area, and an up-to-date address. So it's really basic stuff and things that will honestly only take you about 5 minutes to do, but getting all of that in there is really important. And then also having up-to-date images, your logo, banners, photos of your trucks, all that stuff. So you can see these guys here have dozens of photos. So just a quick example. And then obviously down below, having that About Us section and any additional relevant details if you provide online estimates, things like that. So yeah, starting off claiming and optimizing your GMB page, step number one, super, super important. I'll have more videos on how you can, get more into the weeds with GMB, but, high level, you want to get that going. Next thing, which is an extension of that, is gathering reviews. It is so, so, so important. Customer reviews are a significant factor in improving trust and boosting SEO rankings. You need to ask and encourage all of your satisfied, or really all of your customers, that ideally they're all satisfied, to leave reviews on platforms like Google most specifically, but also other platforms, Yelp and any other one relevant in your area. Positive reviews not only help your ranking, but they also send strong trust signals to Google and future potential customers, which is super essential for any local service-based business like HVAC businesses. I have another video on how you can get a Google review link that you can just paste into text, emails, invoices with your customers. But you want to make it really easy for them to be able to leave you reviews, which will ultimately increase the likelihood that they do. So that's number two, gather reviews. Number three is leveraging traffic from other established sites. Instead of directly competing for high ranking keywords, you can just get them listed on authoritative local directories like Home Advisor, Thumbtack, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, whichever one's most preeminent in your area. These directories already dominate search results and can help drive additional traffic to your website without needing to compete for the same keywords, which are ultimately going to be the most competitive keywords. So again, this is sort of an aside from SEO, but something that everyone can do, especially when you're starting off. This will give you a chance to get extra eyeballs on your site. Number four is optimizing your website structure. Your website should have dedicated service pages for each HVAC offering. For example, a furnace repair page, HVAC installation page, AC servicing, air duct cleaning, all of that stuff. You'll also want to have specific location-based pages as well. So if your metropolitan area has several smaller cities, you'll want to go ahead and have a location-based page for each area that you do work in your area. This will help the search engine target specific keywords for each service area and helps you write content that targets those and will ultimately improve your visibility on search engines. How you can do that is with a URL mapping sheet. So what you'll want to do is figure out, 5, 10, 15, 20 keywords you'll want to target and then batch them by type of word. So for example, this is an example for an HVAC company in Seattle, Washington. So you have your general words, HVAC company Seattle, Seattle HVAC services, etc. That's probably going to target to the home page. Then you're going to have your AC words, AC installation near me, AC replacement, things like that. That's going to target to the AC page, heating repair words to the heating page, and maintenance words to the maintenance plan page. The benefit of this is a few things. One, it makes it really easy to get keyword optimized content onto that page. You can your AC page is already going to be talking about AC words. You're going to get those words on that page. Second, it's going to be really obvious to Google what each page is about and make it more likely they're going to rank you for those words. And then third, It's going to improve your user experience. Because what happens is you're going to rank each page for the relevant words. So let's say you've been doing a good job, and when someone Googles heating repair Seattle, your site's on page 1, they're going to specifically end up on that slash heating repair site. They're not going to end up on the AC page or the home page or the gallery page. They're going to end up on the page they need to be on, which is going to improve your conversion rates and make it more likely people actually call. So that's how you actually optimize it and make it really easy. And then you can also write your meta title and meta description tags in there. We'll come back to that later. The next thing you can do is conduct a technical SEO audit. By using tools like SEMrush, Google Search Console, etc., you can identify and resolve technical issues that are going to harm your rankings, or rather that are currently harming your rankings. Things you can focus on are fixing your sitemap issues to ensure Google can index all of your pages. It will help you ensure that your site is mobile friendly. You will be able to improve your page load speed, which is important for all user experience and for SEO and actually getting onto page 1. And also fixing duplicate content and broken links, which are things that Google will penalize your site for and actually lower your rankings. The next thing you can do yourself is submit business directory citations. Listing your HVAC business in local and industry-specific directories like Yelp, Angie's, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, and any other HVAC-specific directories will strengthen your business's local presence. These citations also double as backlink, which are going to help confirm your business's physical location and improve your local SEO, resulting in more phone calls and higher rankings. Now, the next step, getting back to actual SEO, is performing keyword research. I already talked a little bit about target keywords, and how you can actually find those is by using tools like SEMrush or Google Keyword Planner to research high volume local keywords related to HVAC services. This is going to help you find the most relevant words, the jobs you like to do, and in your top service areas. So ultimately, you're going to find words that align with the specific services you provide, whether that's furnace repair in X city, AC installation near me, emergency HVAC service, whatever it is, you're going to find the words that best fit with your type of services and the area you work in. From there, you can add keywords strategically. So this brings us back to our keyword mapping sheet. You figured out your target keywords, you can map it to the right page, and you're going to add those keywords strategically. You're going to place them in the following locations on your website. On the page title and meta description of each page for better click-through rates. Those meta title and description tags are what people are actually going to see in Google search results. You want those to be relevant, and people are going to be more likely to click through to your site. You can also put it in the URL, heading tag, and first paragraph of each page and make it really clear to Google what your site is talking about. And then on the back end, you can also add it to image alt text for better SEO and accessibility. While you're doing this, you want to avoid keyword stuffing. Ensure that content remains natural and engaging, and provide value to users and answer all of their HVAC related questions. Getting on to some more technical stuff, you can also implement structured data. Structured data, by using tools like schema.org and Google Search Console, will help search engines understand your website content better, which will improve rankings. Implementing the markup is a little bit more advanced, but highly beneficial. The last thing you could do is write a blog. A strategic blog offers potential customers helpful innovation. For example, offering common HVAC questions can draw relevant traffic to your site. Use Ahrefs or BuzzSumo to find high search volume questions and write comprehensive guides. I hope you enjoyed this video, and by following these steps, your business can significantly improve your local SEO and increase the visibility you get in Google and drive more traffic and ultimately more calls and more jobs. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And if you enjoyed this, again, like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for the next one. Have a good one.